Welcome from my tiny kitchen. Learn how to make this crisp, buttery shortbread biscuit that everyone loves. Usually with 4 ingredients, I add an extra one that makes them irresistible. A must make around the holidays, and they taste great anytime with a cup of tea. It's so easy to make. Add soft, not melted butter into a mixing bowl and mix until smooth. Then mix in caster sugar and vanilla bean paste. If you don't have the bean paste, you can replace it with the same amount of vanilla extract. Then mix in plain flour and my secret ingredient, corn flour. The technical bits are that the addition of the corn flour helps soften the proteins in the plain flour, giving you a crisp but melt-in-the-mouth texture of these irresistible biscuits. The dough is ready when there are no longer any lumps of dry ingredients. To prepare the baking tin, rub a small amount of butter onto it. I usually keep a few butter wrappers in the fridge for this purpose. Then line with baking paper. Cut out a square about 2 inches larger than the base of the tin. Make slits into the corners. This helps to cover all sides and makes for easy lifting out. Add in the dough and flatten. Portion shortbread fingers using a knife or scraper. This helps to cut clean lines later when baked. When ready, using a fork prick the dough. This allows the steam to escape during baking, preventing any unnecessary rising and enable heat to distribute evenly. And then bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the sides just start to brown. Leave to cool in the tin for about 5 minutes before removing and portioning. And there you have it, the perfect accompaniment to your hot beverage. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.